Welcome back to our reservation with Link. And last time we finished world number 8, and today we're going to go for world 9, which is the Star World, to get additional stuff. And first, I would like to grab the 3 star up top because I need it. Plus, checkpoint is somewhere in this thing, so yeah, I have a tough time beating this. Oh, this is supposed to be fine. Sky trips. Okay, should not be having a problem if also. Yeah, this level has no problem. No. Yeah, I never mind. I gotta show that bit. Apparently, that's it. Yeah, I'm not going to get that very much. I'm not. This software, every single world 9 level doesn't even have checkpoints, which is bad. And terrible as well. 2-second blind appear this clear. I die. And then we have to restart the world level again. Even if you get checkpoint, at least a restart level. God damn it. See, this level is quite long. Definitely. Bam. Bam. Oh, leave. Okay, backwards. You need a switch. I forgot about that. Got barely enough. Nice job. But still no checkpoint because checkpoint is somewhere inside a world map, inside a top world level. Yeah, checkpoint never went in this place. I hope you understand. Never got to work. Yeah, you can skip pretty much a lot of things in this thing. Just don't make blind jump, seriously. As I said, checkpoint doesn't never work inside a level out of a couple out of a wrong map. Just please remember that fact. Ouch. Doesn't work much. Bombs. Which I don't really need bombs in the meantime. Control. I see that. Fortunately, I see that. Well, do I really need that? I don't think I need a bomb at all. No, I think this is the end of this level. As I remember. Nice. Well, we got 5 more levels to go. God damn it. Three Star Galaxy. The longest level at all. It requires changing form of things and things. Damn it. This level, just this level. So long. This is the hard one. Not the hardest, but it's quite hard. And the death is unsatisfying. This is level so long that, and not even checkpoint is upsetting. Like, come on. I want a checkpoint and this level, so can you give me a checkpoint? Of course, everybody noticed that. Oh, I mentioned, yeah. Yeah, I can just... Yeah, the reason playing a play is to show you some amazing graphics and beat the level in an intended way. No, this place... I don't think I need propeller, right? It must be possible without the reference. But how? It must be possible, like, but how is that possible? Nope. Yeah, easy, right? I don't even need a propeller. The level of death. Radio dialogue. Absolutely. Pick out the right time of the side. Well, obviously the special block. Not the end of the story yet. It's not the end of the story. It's never the end of the story. Such greatness. requires repetition and kill they kill you. Huh. And then so long, so dangerous in time without checkpoints. Ooh. Oh yeah, I forgot. No checkpoint. I beat this level without checkpoint. Because checkpoint doesn't work in the level out of the whole world, out of the map. Yeah, that's actually. And must be so yeah, why not? Why not? Level 3 there. At certain point of fields. It's level 6. It's not sick at all, but it's so terrible. No. Bit them. No, kill this guy. Up. Nice job. Oh, one final section. This level still long enough to not beat it the first try. Yeah, don't get there. Just no, please. No. Bam! Yeah, please get this level on checkpoint. Yeah, fill up with that. That's all that. Nobody was supposed to be like that, seriously. My god, is his beat. Almost got troll. I almost got troll. This one mine. That's one mine. Nope. Die first. Oh yeah, beat the level. Without checkpoints. Dude, without checkpoints. My god, and without cheat as well. Well. 4 levels left. Yeah, damn it. It's level the same hard as well. Unless it's so terrible. You know, which one first? For Purple Cosmet. No, it's not gonna be that bad if you consider if you play safe then. You should really play safe. Poisons everywhere. And unkillable piranhas because of like what? NPC task no fireball. And there's one guy who throw bricks. Oh damn. And no power in the first session. No power in the first session. Yeah, that's lives. Wait, are you gonna throw things? Nope. Yeah. None I don't get for. Yeah. No, I'm not. I've got my head. Yeah, you already play the blocks, so. God damn it, I have to press this button again, go all the way back to left. Why can't I have this song there? Oh, never mind, stop anyway. You cannot leave the level. Oh yeah, much needed power efforts. Grab that, grab that. Why I can't have Junukis? Junukis are bad days. Just Junuki. There's nothing for Junukis. Can this guy get killed by ice? Yes, he can kill by ice. He can kill ice fire, he can kill them via ice fire. Why would I throw that Getro again? Yeah, play it fast, go fast, or you can just play slow where you usually save it all. Up. Follow all this. Not that bad, it's actually not that bad. Consider this piranha isn't that bad kill. Not anymore. Be careful of these flying things, I don't know what they're called. Yeah, you cannot kill them with Link, sadly. Sadly though. Bam. Oh, Link. No, yeah, don't get trolled. Every time got trolled because of troll trap. Not trap at all. Go back up. Yeah, he added tap from here for no reason. No reason, like. And he didn't even sell it back as well, like. And you know what? The checkpoint doesn't even work at all. Like, come on, all these 6 levels are hell without checkpoint. Because the checkpoint sucks. And I just made a stupid mistake that I just make it too big, make it jump too big. And let me showcase how these checkpoints work. Okay, let me showcase how this checkpoint works. Because this level itself is a checkpoint, it's a level as well. You cannot have a level inside level, right? You only have a level inside world map, over level, but this is a level inside world map. Yeah, let me showcase how the checkpoint works. Okay, and oh, it doesn't work. Well, that's how this world supposed to be so hard. Like, come on, there's so much stupid mistakes, and well, I'm good to go. Unless this stupid lava goes so treacherous. I'm so worried trying to kill me with that thing. Nope. No, you could damage me, right? Only can play safe. You only can play safe. I'm not going to stay alive for that, right? Not anymore. Leave. Yeah, remember, you go back on the phone at the same time. No. Don't press double jump, okay? Just don't press double jump when you don't need it. You can screw you. You can screw yourself for that one. And for this one, yeah, who cares about flying? Yeah, let me showcase how checkpoint works, okay? It doesn't work at all. And I can tell you a fact that the checkpoint never works. Current position. Yeah. Make your opponent to make a small jump. And plus don't make perfect. Big jump with me, will make you hit your head and perhaps screw yourself. Well, don't expect the level to land so quickly, right? After this section, there is another section as well. Well, if you have them, it will be much easier to make the jump. And it's easy kind of level, right? Yeah. Oh, 3 levels up, and the next one will be the hardest, the treasures, the gorgeous level. This is so much going on with a lot of excess lava and such chaosities. Oh my god, it's a work much. Yeah, next one. Space Substance, which is the hardest level in World 9. I can't believe this. And with our checkpoint as well. Wow, with our checkpoint, dude. Well, in the past experience, when I played this, like, it almost takes me like 9 tries. More than 10 tries for this level. Back in the day, I played this series when I first upload Restoration. Come on. This is the worst, hardest level. Especially for newcomers, like, come on, this level should be existing, right? The amount of things that exist here. And I have to be Link. I have to play this level as Link. Or not Link, but hitbox like Link. So just play safe, but you know, the second session is so hard, like, the second session, well, damn. Well, I'm back because stupid thing. I didn't mean to press that. Well, I thought I was in another control. The heck? Yeah, this level sucks apparently. Need power ups. Yeah, this level. The worst one. I just died before checkpoint. Yeah, I mean, section away from the checkpoint. Like, come on, it's a lot of sections in this level. Like, 5 sections of intensity. Five sections of intensity. Like, wait, no. These are not power up. What am I doing? Remember well, this was the start. I believe will bring you easy wins and safeties. If you can use it well. Jump. Yeah, this world doesn't have that bad, man. Bam, 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 bam. Okay, second session, first session. The section B up right before the checkpoint. Yeah, this platform is seriously there, like, come on. Oh my. I saved myself because I double jump, because like the fact that the glitch happens when the platform moving up or down. You get like stun effect and like you get glitched so easy. Like I saved myself for that one, but next time I will die. Yeah, that's the fact, man. Glitches everywhere make this double jump thing so stupid. Like, do I need to show you how this checkpoint starts? Well, no need, because this one was with strategies as a honestly good thing. Again, the double jump glitch. Like, why do I have double jump with a bone platform? Like, do you have double jump because you glitch? And when you have double jump when you are in a lead, then you suck because you will get screwed instantly. Well, I know I don't want power ups at all. So stupid. Yeah, let me show you how this checkpoint works. Like, oh wait, it doesn't work. Well, the first time that I died in this level, I'm sure people that first contact with SMBX Not the first content with SMBX will take a lot of tries. Try to beat this stupid level. Because it's just so stupid that. Especially for the fourth section, which sucks apparently. So intense, right? It's just so stupid, like why? Why that exists? For a reason. Yeah, the double jump glitch, the worst glitch I've ever seen. But you need a leaf, right, to get safety, right? To make yourself safe. Not because of the double jump thing, but you can save yourself from getting the thing. Because platform. God damn it! Why this level so bad? You see the double jump? Yeah. As soon as the platform is moving down, or the phone platform moves to curve in the slope, then you will get double jump effect. No point getting checkpoint. It's not checkpoint at all. Save myself with that one. Save myself with them. Oh gosh. No, this lava mover is a damn. Like seriously, it's a damn. Don't trust it. And this has the most stupid thing. You have to wait for the platform to go run because you need to hit the block. Not even kidding. The block. Well, you need a platform to get there, right? And slopes are the worst thing in this game. I guess it just freaking ruins the momentum of the slopes and the other way. Oh, this is not the stupidest jump. Because of the lava block freaking is there. Shouldn't be that hard, right? Well, it's actually the worst one. Which... But how can you do this with no propellers? Well, this guy always has plans, right? No way. Oh my god, why do you glitch me? Again, I die again. Oh my god. I die again because of glitch. I just got flipped out of the room. I have to replay the whole level again. Do you see how this level is so stupid? Can you see this can you see how this level is so stupid? This level takes 4 minutes to beat. Like, and then the fact is whether I can beat it in the first try, apparently though. Do I need to cut the video? And the freaking momentum jump, like, you know Link cannot jump that high. He needs momentum to jump so fast. Unlike Mario, he always gets the momentums. Why not be Toad? Because Toad is not allowed and Toad is just a permanent character. I think this creator, like, alright, should test around like 5 to 6 times because. And the next 2 levels not even that high, it's only the problem of this one. No checkpoint. No checkpoint. Get this level without checkpoint because it sucks as much as it could. Didn't mean to double jump there, seriously. Link sucks as much as I could think of. Oh my god, this doesn't even land on that thing. Like, this doesn't even land on that thing. And you tell me that I land on that thing because I got hit. The worst level ever made. The worst level ever made. No, you cannot save yourself with freaking raccoon, right? Hell. Yeah, this thing never stopped moving. Why did that stop, man? Somewhere will make it better. Especially momentum and type thing. Yeah, when you just... What's wrong with the momentum, dude? What's wrong with the momentum? I don't know what's wrong with my momentum, like... Well, I'm going to full try hard mode. Like, come on, I'm stop laughing, I'm going to stop talking about anything in this level. Die like this level for 6 times in a row. More than 6 times. I already cost 30 minutes in this level. I feel like it's cost like 1 hour in this freaking level. I will tell you a fun thing. When the platform is suddenly stop, you have a like little bit of. You see, Link's leg has like something inside when the platform starts immediately. Like that's a glitch. Don't play with that. It can you. Yeah, when the platform is slightly moving, it does nothing. Oh no, bad timing. No. Okay, good timings. No. No. The blue one is instant falling platform. The purple one is like normal donuts. Oh, what? Oh my god, another freaking glitch. Another freaking glitch. When the donut block collide with each other when with the player is freaking crossfield for no reason. If I fall in the freaking instant falling block with lava bubbles freaking hitting me at the same time. It killed myself with glitches. Can you expect this level creator? Your level sucks as much as I could think of. Yeah, the level sucks as much. Like right now it's finally like 40 something minutes and I probably didn't finish half of the level yet. Just we see a freaking 2 level left. Well, I currently have this level as a trick because the chapter doesn't work. If the checkpoint freaking work, that would be much better than this, right? At this day, no, I hate training. Why the momentum sucks so much? Because of the random spike on the ground. This guy loves to put random on the ground, so you cannot get full momentum with the thing, with Link. Like, my Mario doesn't even need any momentum. Link needs it. Toast needs it, Peach needs it, and it sucks. Wow, do I need to cut all of this? I can cut this. I'll cut off this and then make another video about it, so surely cut between and then just yeah, when Link just freaking use his sword momentum, there will not be any momentum left. Yeah, for safety only. Oh come on! I didn't just hit that, right? I didn't just hit that. Hitboxes. I played everything on hitbox. Now I cannot even save myself from an even single fall with the leaf. The cruelest level in the restoration. This level. Even though purple mode is harder, but this is just straight up nonsense. You get momentum, you only have enough momentum to make certain jumps, but you just literally run stand back. Random fight, to not letting you get enough momentum. The chopper doesn't work in nothing. If the chopper freaking works, that would be much better than this thing. Like, come on. It takes literally 30 minutes. Is this fireball going to spawn or not? It doesn't spawn. I don't know how it doesn't spawn. Yeah, blaming it not glitch. I'm blaming it into a glitch. I don't know what's the point of that full switch does, but seriously, it's not useless. And the freaking lava bubble there is the worst NPC location ever. Like, stay between of, they literally stay on the normal donut block instead of a freaking quick donut block that gives us out of safety. She can make this jump. No! Seriously, I doesn't really meant to do that at all at the same time. Alright, how do I... Oh, of course I leave. It's not getting me a leaf, right? Just want to leave this one as quick as possible. The fact that you have to make sure you're safe in this level. With random, like, come on, who would expect this would be a freaking trap? If you just freaking get hit and then you just glitch out the map without any reason being, and just wake up during the days, for sure. For sure, man. I don't think you want to lose this, right? Yeah, you don't want to lose this thing. If you lose it, there will just game over because there's no another way to get yourself another record. Yeah, I'm not playing games with you. Of course, keeping traps. Well, platforms, just because when the platform doesn't even spawn at all. And now troll trap at all, I can't even see that coming, right? Ah, got it. In the next section, we'll be very fast. In the next one, we'll very unafraid of weapons because of troll substance. Wow, seriously. That's an even good thing. Yeah, seriously, finish this level. If you can survive the last room, then you can probably survive all the room that you can beat. The next two levels wouldn't be that hard, except for level 5, which, everything big, hitbox are pathetic, and everything else stuff that matches that good thing. Well, let's see about that. Well, that level called Giant World. Well, I don't want to use that fireball. Well, all the hitboxes and matches I could think of. Oh wait, the stupid double jump's bad. No, the fairy jump, not double jump. Toad has double jump, but Link, like, that's a fairy jump. It's just so stupid, man. Why can't this Toad? This Toad will be OP because he is spin jump, he can go around sometimes. No chance at all, right? Yeah, that's not an originally thing. The boss is oversized thing, and yeah, I believe that Muncher is not actually Muncher. It's just literally throwing trap. It depends on the hitbox whether it's just freaking dark glitch or not. I'm not gonna try it at all. Stupid. Yeah, so go this way and supposedly the mushrooms are big, but not. Yeah, glitch. Doesn't mean but that's glitch. Yeah. Yeah. No block solution. Don't know why. Yeah, that's not what I know freaking that point. I almost just tried to jump there, but you know, nothing good there. Straight off throw trash, small throw trash, and throw trash. Well, this actually is more nonsense one, I believe. You have to constantly move, right? Yeah. Well, go on the top, save your life. Means there's no freaking berries on top. But don't get glitch. Well, we don't need to deal with this all blades. We just... Oh my god, why do I disable it? Why did I disable that? Why do I suddenly lose power? Because I pressed jump button, because I pressed the tab button, well. Damn, this level, man, no mercy at all. When you just make one mistake and all your big games are going to jump press. I don't know why, when pressing jump, when you're in the fairy mode, disable your fairy. Disable the existence of fairies, like. Disable the existence of you fairying a fairy. The worst thing, I have to repeat this level for like around 5 more minutes because I thought. And oh, that jump is so precise, man. What's that 5 block jump nonsense? And I just messed the level up, right? Well, the reason playing this thing is so stupid. It's the most stupidest idea. Look at this. I don't know how you just managed. So I just press my WAASD button. I don't press other buttons as well. I just don't press all buttons. I only press left and right because there's no purpose pressing left on. There's no pressing. There's no. Oh my god, what's my words? Damn. I'm losing my mind because levels are so hard and it takes about like 15 minutes to beat this stupid level. You see hitbox are so precise, like come on. You cannot even jump on it with lane because it's not a launcher, it's not a launcher. But it's a precise really hitbox things, like it sucks. Because the hitbox change as well. Yeah, don't expect to jump there, like hitbox and non-hitbox and well, hitbox are more precise than hitbox. Press attack when you're being fairy mode disabled, the existence of your being a fairy itself. This sucks because the most action is because you're being a fairy in a precise frame. I have enough, I'm going to skip on this swing, like. You're not going to help me at all. I don't know how do I disable things, like weird programming for Link is so weird, like I have enough with this action and seriously I have enough with this nonsense. I just press WASD for now. I don't press other buttons. Oh, I know why. Because these fine hitbox are so small that I only can touch the middle part, otherwise I'll be falling off, not being able at all. Yeah, fines suck in this place, like I don't think he changed the hitbox of that. Which you can just press it like hide and right, but apparently it lost it because the main thing is to change the graphic height and width to actually change the. Oh my gosh, this level sucks, man. I just make so much mistake in one video, like 45 minutes. Yes, with 45 minutes is that. I don't expect to beat this full while in less than 15 minutes, but apparently it's impossible. Because of freaking hitboxes and enemy spam. I have enough in this level. I have enough of this level. I have enough. Try this level or try this level. Well, do I have to adjust the... What is that hitbox? Dude, I really hit that with length. And the hitbox sucks as much as it could be. No, I'm going to cut the video for now. I'm going to cut it. The save by outside on the fly. Maybe eventually I have to replay this entire thing because of the frame rate and frame skip. Thanks to my friendly OBS, sucks as much as hell. Because of the level length, like, I need to skip everything I play. And make a new one because of the last power time and last playing times. Idiots. The main thing causing all the lag is the frame rate of this thing. Like the total amount of minutes recorded and the stupid amount of NPC in this place. Does he plan for this already? There's no point doing that, right? I don't think there's any point of showing the frame rate. Those are not really munchers. Okay, they bound to self-decided. And a funky thing as well. I feel level has its own challenges. First level, like seriously, I don't know what's the challenge about. The second level, the challenge is not good play safe because of freaking lava and zero gravity thing is overwhelming level. The third one has no freaking problem, just make small jump and when you have to make small jump you make big jump. Yeah, and both level like platforming is so stupid, like the worst thing in this place, the platforming, man. Level 5 hitbox and the scientific thing, which you can understand about how everything is big enough. I don't know how I can believe this hitboxes and thing. I got it. Oh damn man, finally over. Oh, finally over. World 6, level 6, hammer, super psychic and block breaking technique. Which has nothing to do with that. Well, World 9 has some, well, I mean, the public mode is so much harder than that. I kept additional entity spam. Most of this go Highlands. Okay. Hammer suit troll traps, more troll traps and troll traps. Bombs. Bomb generator for troll trap in this freaking map. That thing, another troll trap, yeah, another troll trap. Hammer brothers, yeah, the troll trap. Yeah, for one being a semi-solid is not generous in it. For one being having so much thing. How do you make this jump? Oh wait, this one. Yeah, how do you make that jump? Simple. Y bombs. Well, just Y bombs. Not keeping up with me up is bad this thing. Yes, yeah, hammer suit to beat that. And use pistol flame as well. We will need this item if you need to farm. Well, this level should take less than 5 minutes, apparently. And then checkpoint doesn't work at all. Doesn't really still make some signal because you probably need to wait for blue pillars that appear also. I can't kill these blues. Like, I can't keep those going with the hammer suit. Why it's not fun when you're just going to throw people like that? Propeller. Great. That. Only redemption I have. Yeah, get on top there. And then now. Oh my god, this guy's freaking soft like. I don't think it works. Like, oh my god. Oh my god. I don't expect the glitch works on the lift as well, but apparently it's a glitch and you cannot do everything with the glitch. That means I have to replay a level again. Someone should have patched this glitch, like, what part of your SMBX creator do you want to patch glitch? Because you're gonna enter pipes when you are in that position. Well, you play the level for 5 minutes at all. Yeah, that's how this game is a waste of time. The level so damn hard as if castles and more castles. Literally takes 18 hours for people to beat the level. Yeah, makes sense, right? Makes sense. Especially for a guy without skills. The level is not best choice. Not sure the try to spell level, but simply doesn't make sense, right? Not even blaming everything on the level creators. On the SMBX creators as well. Why not patch that glitch with Luna? Oh, never have I thought that I would just freaking make the jump. And when I'm on ice block, momentum sucks as much. If you are fast enough, you get through the ice so quickly, but if you're so slow that you cannot go through the ice even at all. Momentum sucks, height sucks, everything sucks. SMBX sucks much. Freaking troll traps. Troll traps with more troll traps. Well, I must understand that. I don't think it went on fine, but apparently I found all the experience I have playing this episode. I was like, what, 100 times of using a weapon on a small pipe. Like, that don't even work, man. Yeah, but at the same time, doors like has different properties. Like doors are much better. Oh my god, I'm gonna skip this. Like. The fairy mode. The fairy. Literally kill my game like millions times. Because of freaking momentum, freaking hitboxes, and freaking double jump, freaking glitches everywhere. To be seen. As always, the level ends right before I reach the start screen. Well, I don't have anything to add in this godless monstrous episode. Seriously. What's this place? Oh, Badlands, House. It's not the matters that we have in place. Don't I will show you. Do you need all these graphics? You seem to hear anyway information while measures on the actual Android to only work. The entire house only have 2 NPCs. This is the tall house and this is a wall. This is literally a wall, and then you just tell me there's only 2 NPCs. Well, next video will be the previous final episode. I hope that because all this level is not so bad. Well, bye.